Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to transfer ICE from Trust Wallet to OKX. So stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. So since OKX is the destination where we're sending our ICE from Trust Wallet, you need to have your OKX ICE crypto address. When you have that and you've copied it safely, you need to open your Trust Wallet. Now here on the home page, what you need to do is to go over to the top where you have search and you're going to search for ICE. Now we can see that ICE is at the top here, so we're going to tap on it. And it's important to notice that at the top, you can see the network that ICE is using. So this is ICE in the BNB Smart Chain, but the network is BEP20. So if you're getting the crypto address on your OKX, you need to select the network BEP20. You also need to make sure that it is ICE in the BNB Smart Chain network. Now after that's done and you have some ICE on your Trust wallet, you're going to click on Send. And it's going to take you to this page where you need to paste in the address which you got in your OKX for your ICE crypto coin. You're also going to put in the amount of ICE you'd like to send. And when that is complete and you're sure of the transaction, the next button will be activated. And you might get this summary of your transaction, after which you're going to get to confirm it to finalize this transfer. So make sure you're using ICE in the BNB Smart Chain network and you're using BEP20 for the crypto receiving address. So this is how to transfer ICE from Trust Wallet to OKX.